PHARMAP Congress is designed to bring together a carefully balanced mix of participants across the pharmaceutical industry. We make sure the room includes professionals from supply chain, procurement and purchasing, packaging, technology and quality, alongside the decision makers who drive company strategies. This balance ensures that every conversation is meaningful and every connection has real potential. By keeping representation proportional and avoiding overcrowding in any category, we create an environment where meetings are strategic, focused and productive, not just a series of casual introductions. The results: every delegate can confidentially spend their time on the conversations that matter most, building partnerships, exploring opportunities and also achieving tangible outcomes. At PHARMAP, it is not about being in the room, it is about being in the right room with the right mix of people.